Welcome to the Symantec eDiscovery platform Use Load File Import demo. In this exercise, you'll import a load file and process the data. In the All Cases drop-down menu, verify Administrator's Case 1 is selected. Click Processing, Sources and Pre-Processing, and Manage Sources. In the bottom left of the page, click the drop-down menu, select Add Load File Source, and then click Go. In the Import Production section, for source name, type LFI-1. For file type, verify that the DAT option is selected. For the Import Production section, following top-level source directory, click Browse. In the Clearwell Directory browser for Remote Directory, type Server2 and then click Go. Navigate to and then select LFI data. Click OK. For the Opticon location, click Browse. Navigate to and then select LFI data. Click OK. In the Import Production section, for description, type First Load File Import. For the default time zone for files, verify Use Current Appliance Time Zone is selected. For default custodian for files, verify that none is selected. Verify that Mark as Third-Party Production is selected. Verify Select Mapping Template is blank. In the Formatting section, verify that the Now Viewing drop-down menu has default .dat selected. Verify that the first row contains header is marked. Click the Field Separator drop-down menu and select "44". Click the Text Qualifier drop-down menu and select "34". For the Nested Value Separator, verify that the drop-down menu has \92 selected. Verify that file encoding displays UTF-8 detected. Verify the New Line drop-down menu has Registered Trademark 174 selected. Verify that the Multi-Value Separator drop-down menu has ;59 selected. Verify that the Escape Character drop-down menu has none selected. Click Text View. Review the information displayed. Click Validate. Review the information displayed. Click Table View. Under Document Relationships, verify that the Document Relationships tab is selected. For the documents are numbered by, verify Range option is selected. For the BegNum drop-down menu, select Beginning of Doc. For the EndNum menu, select End Doc. For the How are the document families constructed, select the range starting with the parent and including the entire document family option. Click the Beg Attach drop-down menu and select Beg Attach. Click the End Attach menu and select End Attach. Click the Identifiers tab. In the prefix text box, type LFI1-. Click the Email Identifier drop-down menu and select Doc Type. In the value that identifies email text box, type Message. Verify that the Calendar Identifier and the Context Identifier drop-down menus have none selected. Verify that the value that identifies Calendar and the value that identifies text boxes are blank. Click the Processing tab. In the Images File section, verify that Load Through Opticon File option is selected. Verify that the file extension drop-down has .opt selected. In the Indexable Text section, select the Load File Contains a link to an external text file option. Click the drop-down menu and select Text File Path _ file name. In the Native File section, click the drop-down menu and select Native File Path _ file name. Verify that Use Metadata from Load File for Clearwell Standard fields and custom fields Do Not Extract Metadata from Native option is selected. In the Priority section, verify that the Extracted Text option is selected. Click the File Types tab. In the Emails section, check My Load File Contains Emails. For the To menu, select To. For the From menu, select From. For the CC menu, select CC. For the BCC menu, select BCC. For the Subject menu, select Subject. Leave the date and time or separate fields clear. For date time sent, choose Date Sent. For date time format, choose Year, 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 month, month, day, day, hour, hour, minute, minute, second, second. Check My Load File Contains Loose Files and/or Attachments. For the File Name menu, choose File Name. For the file extension, choose File Extension. Leave date and time or separate fields cleared. For the Last Date Modified Date Time menu, select Date Modified. For the date time format, select Year, 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 month, month, day, day, hour, hour, minute, minute, second, second. Click the Tags tab. Select the Multiple Fields option. For the Starting Column drop-down menu, select ECA-Hot. For the Ending Column menu, select ECA Potentially Privileged. Verify that Use Clearwell Tagging Syntax option is selected. Click the Folders tab. Select the Single Folder field with Multiple Values option. In the drop-down menu, select Projects. Select the Custom Fields tab. Click Create Custom Field. In the new custom field name, type Locations. For the data type, select long text not sortable above 255 characters. For the options, select Add Value to Keyword Search. Click Save. Under the Actions column, click the Edit Field icon. For the Map to drop-down menu, select Locations and click OK. Save the current settings as a template named LFI 1 template. Click Save. Monitor the discovery progress until completed successfully. Next, you'll process a source without discovery for the Load File import. Click Sources and Pre-Processing tab. Mark the LFI-1 checkbox. Click the For Selected Items drop-down menu, select Start Processing Source Without Discovery, and then click Go. For the optional label for New Batch, click LFI Batch, and then click Continue Processing. Monitor the processing phase until all the statuses have changed to completed successfully. This will take several minutes, so please be patient. This concludes the demo.